Good morning, students. In English, we were seeing the supplementary A Childhood in Malabar, a Memoir. Students, take page number 85 in your textbook. This supplementary is about the narrator's childhood in Malabar. Who is the narrator? Kamala Das. So, in yesterday's class, we saw that the narrator and a brother were invited to the feast. Before going to the feast, Malati Kuti took both of them to the serpent shrine. Malati Kuti is a person who was with them in their house. So, when they went to the temple, they saw the Meenakshi Edati placing turmeric, milk, and bananas for the snake. Meenakshi Edati is a distant relative to the Ambadathal family. So we saw what kind of a person and what work Meenakshi Edati will be doing at a home. When the narrator and a brother returned back home, there was a strong wind. So till that we saw yesterday. Now let us continue the story. I wonder whether it's a cyclone. I here refers to the narrator. Wonder means Archarium. The narrator wondered whether it was a cyclone. Cyclone means Suravali. The sound of it scares me, said Ammamma. Ammamma means mother's mother, that is grandma. In Tamil we call as Ammachi. Like that in Malayalam they call Amma. So Ammamma said that the sound was very scaring. She asked all of us to sit down in the middle room upstairs and gave us metal dice to play with. So Ammamma asked all of us means Ammamma asked all the members in the house to sit in the middle room upstairs. Upstairs means Melmadi, and gave us metal dice. Dice means pakadai or dayakatta. So she gave us metal dice to play with. Since the light had grown dim, she lit a brass lamp as well. So as the light was growing dim, she lit a brass lamp. Brass lamp means pittala velakku. Lit means ethradu. So she lit a brass lamp as well. Muttasi called out from the Tekkini, the southern room, downstairs. Have you closed all the windows, Kochu? Muttasi means father's mother. They will call as Muttasi. So Muttasi called out from the Tekkini. Tekkini means backyard. The southern room. In Tamil, it is Tirku Arai. Downstairs means Kirthalam. From there, Muttasi called out and asked, have you closed all the small windows, Kochu? Kochu means to call the children, they will call as Kochu. So from the downstairs in the southern room, Muttasi called and asked, have you closed all the small windows? So in their house there will be lot of small windows. So she is asking whether they have closed all the small windows. I will close them, Amme. I will close all of them, answered Ammamma. Here, Amme means in Kerala when they are talking, they will call each other as Amme. So, Ammamma is saying that I will close all of them. She is saying that she will close all the windows to Muttasi. We suddenly heard the sound of the rain from the southwest, like the roar of a vast crowd of people. So, southwest means Tenmerku. So, from southwest, they heard the sound of the rain suddenly, like the roar. Roar means Garjane. From a vast crowd of people. Vast crowd of people means from how sound comes from a huge crowd of people. Like that, from the southwest, they heard the sound of the rain suddenly. Using all her force, Ammamma slammed the window shut. Using all her force means using all her strength, Ammamma slammed the window shut. Vegama jannala அடைக்கிறாங்க. Raindrops glimmered on her face. Glimmered means ஒளிரும். So in the dim light, the raindrops on her face were shining. It's not even 4, but it's pitch dark outside, said Ammamma. So Ammamma is saying that it's not even 4. That means it has not even become 4 o'clock in the evening, but it's pitch dark. Pitch dark means ரொம்ப இருட்டா இருக்கு. So it was pitch dark outside. I want to see Kuttiyuppu, said Malathikutty. She will come by dusk, said Ammamma. So Malathikutty said that she wanted to see Kuttiyuppu. So Ammamma said that she will come by dusk. Dusk means evening time. So when Malathikutty said that she wanted to see Kuttiyuppu, Ammamma said that Kuttiyuppu will come in the evening. I want to go to Ambarathil now, this minute, said Malathikutty. Though Amama said that Kuttiyuppu will come in the evening, Malathi Kutti said that she wanted to go to Ambarathil immediately, that minute itself. I will send you to Ambarathil as soon as the storm stops. So when Malathi Kutti wants to go to Ambarathil, now this minute means Malathi Kutti wants to go to Ambarathil immediately. So when she said like that, Mama said that she will send her after the storm stops. Storm means puyal. So once the storm stops, Mama said that she will send her to Ambarathil. Amama tried to comfort her, but Malathi Kutti began to sob loudly. So Amama tried to comfort her, means comfort means ஆறுதல். So Amama tried to convince Malathi Kutti, but Malathi Kutti began to sob loudly. Sob means தேம்பி அழுவுறது. Malathi Kutti started to sob loudly. That was when we heard a coconut palm crashing down. So when Malathi Kutti began to sob loudly, so at the same time they heard a coconut palm crashing down. தென்னை மட்டை முறிஞ்சி கீழே விழுந்துற சத்தம் கேட்டுச்சு. Kochu, what was that? Will the house collapse? That was Muttasi. So Kochu means they call the children as Kochu. So when Muttasi heard the sound of the coconut palm crashing down, she's asking, what was that? என்ன சத்தம் அது? வீடு இடிஞ்சு விழுந்துருமா? Will the house collapse means will the house will break. So who's asking like this? Muttasi is asking. Don't worry, it was a coconut palm falling. We will go and have a look at it once the rain stops. Let's say our prayer and sit here quietly, said Ammamma. Don't worry, it was a coconut palm falling. So when they heard the sound of the coconut palm crashing down, Muttasi asked what was it. So that's why Ammamma said that it was a coconut palm falling down. So there is no need to worry about it. So after the rain stop, we will have a look at it. So Ammamma said that let us pray and sit here quietly. All of us took shelter in the southern room downstairs as Ammamman's mother instructed us to do. Ammamma means mother's mother. Ammamman's means maternal uncle. That is in Tamil we call as mama. In Kerala they call uncle as Ammamman's. So as Ammamman's mother told, everyone in the house took shelter in the southern room downstairs. Downstairs means Kirthalam. In the southern room they took shelter. Shelter means Adekalam. So everyone in the house took shelter in the southern room downstairs as Ammamman's mother told. She said this room had the strongest ceiling. So Ammamman's mother told that in that southern room only it has a strong ceiling. வலிமையான மேற்கூரை. Ceiling means மேற்கூரை. So in that room it has a strongest ceiling. The Tekkini was flooded and the water that had collected in the sunken courtyard of the Nalukettu, the central hall with 4 wooden pillars, began to overflow. Nalukettu means it is a traditional kind of house in Kerala which is having courtyard. Courtyard means mutram and 4 sides having rooms in it. So in this picture you can see the Nalukettu house. It has a central hall with the 4 wooden pillars. On all the sides there will be wooden pillars and in the center that is the courtyard, mutram. Tekkini means backyard, that is Kollepuram. So the Tekkini was also flooded and the water that had collected in the sunken courtyard of the Nalukettu. Sunken means மூழ்கியது. So mutram, that is the courtyard, has been sunken and the water started to overflow. Ammamman and all of us sat on the bed. Ammamman means uncle. So Ammamman and all of us sat on the bed. Ammamma and the grandmother sat on the rolled up mattress stacked on the floor. Stacked means அடுக்கி வச்சிருக்கிறது. Mattress means pie. So Ammamma and the grandmother sat on the rolled up mattress on the floor. And the servant woman took refuge in the makeshift toilet adjacent to the room. Refuge means Adekalam. So during the days like flood and cyclones, in olden days they have a temporary toilets. So the servant woman near the room where they were sitting, the servant woman made a makeshift toilet. Amai arrived drenched to the skin, unmindful of the thunder and lightning and driving rain. So Ammai means mother-in-law. That is Amamen's wife or uncle's wife. That is auntie. Whose auntie it is? The narrator's auntie. Kamalada's auntie is Ammai. Ammai arrived drenched to the skin. Drenched means murusa nenenji poi. So Ammai was drenched, unmindful of the thunder and lightning and driving rain. So unmindful means kavalayatrathu. So without caring or minding about the thunder and lightning and driving rain, Ammai arrived home fully drenched. Thunder means idi, lightning means minnal. How can you be so foolish, Bala? What if you fall ill of a fever? Asked Ammaman. So Bala means Ammai's name is Bala. Ammaman asked, how can you be so foolish? What happens if you fall ill or if you get fever because of coming in the rain? Like that, Ammaman is asking Ammai. Ammai laughed. So when Ammaman is asking Ammai, what did Ammai do? Ammai laughed. Here's Kuttioppu, exclaimed Malati Kutti joyfully. So when Ammaman was talking to Ammai, Malati Kutti exclaimed. Exclaimed means Kuchelitar. Here's Kuttioppu. Like that, Malati Kutti explained very joyfully. Ammai hugged her. So when Malati Kutti exclaimed, Ammai hugged Malati Kutti. Cheriyamma suggested that we chant Akshara Slokams to forget our fear. Cheriyamma means in Tamil we call as Chitti. So in Malayalam they call Cheriyamma. Chant means saying slogam or part. So Cheriyamma only suggested that we chant Akshara Slokams to forget our fear. So if they say the Akshara Slokams, they can forget about the fear. Each one of us would have to recite a verse, and the next person would follow with a verse that began with the first letter of the third line of the quatrain that had just been chanted. So recite a verse. Recite means saying a slogam in memory, which is in memory, and verse means varigal. So each one person has to say the slogam, and the next person should follow or begin with the first letter of the third line of the quatrain. Quatrain means 4 lines. So each slogam will have 4 lines. So one person should start saying the slogam, and the next person should begin with the first letter of the third line in that quatrain, within that 4 lines, while the slogan is being saying. No one volunteered though. Volunteered means mun varla. So nobody was willing to say the slogan. So Cheriyamma recited from Vallathol's Imprison Anirudhan. So because of nobody willing to say the slogan, Cheriyamma recited from Vallathol's, the slogan Imprison Anirudhan wrote by Vallathol's. Ammamma said, I can't remember a single couplet. Couplet means irandu vadi. So Ammamma said that she can't even remember a single line from the slogan. I hope the house doesn't collapse, murmured Muttasi. So Muttasi murmured that, murmured means munumunukkiradu. So Muttasi said that she hoping that the house does not collapse. That's all for today's class, students. We will stop till here. In the next class we will see the remaining. Thank you.